Rolls-Royce has launched what is calling its most ambitious car that is ever created. It is called the Boat Tail. You know, there's a weird Rolls-Royce connection to boats, like with the wood paneling and cruising. You know what I'm saying? We're cruising along.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, this is what's unique about this is a completely custom deal built alongside 3 hand-picked clients. That's it. There's 3 of them in the world. Get out of my face. There's 3 of them in the world. Oh, you want one? Get out of my shop. Get out of my showroom. You've offended me.
It's aggressive.
Yeah, when you're Rolls-Royce, what you get to do? You're Rolls-Royce. You got 3, and that's it. So it's an ultra-luxury situation. The client comes in these cases and has to be an established individual who spent a bunch of money with Rolls-Royce in the past, presumably.
A member.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Like you got privilege because of your past history of spending. And they're like, okay, we'll listen to you because you've spent many, many millions of dollars on these cars. I don't know how they reference it specifically, but let's see what they say. More than 1,800 new parts were developed for the Boat Tail, each of which has luxury features such as double refrigerators for vintage champagne and bespoke timepieces, which can be worn or inserted into the car to be used as its clock. So you could wear the watch and then you can also insert it because you need the fine timepiece for that as well. Oh my goodness. He says the client is involved in every step of the journey. And the creation of such bespoke cars was a money can't buy experience. Oh, you know what that means? When it's a money can't buy experience, that means a lot of money can buy it. You see what I'm saying over here? A money can't buy experience is going to be some of the most expensive experiences possible.
Well, yeah, it's a 3 of a kind, right?
3 of a kind. Actually, no, I think it's 1 of a kind because each client also...
Oh, full customization.
It's 3 of a kind for the rough model of it, but then with all the tweaks and things, it is 1 of a kind. Click on the one that shows the rear end of it. So this is a long car, a Boat Tail. I think it's like 19 feet long or something. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. I think it said something like that. But anyway, it's a long car. And the entire tail of it is used to house this umbrella picnic setup with a refrigerator and champagne. Where do you take this? Where are you having this picnic?
Hey, I can just imagine this would be the perfect car for the Italian countryside.
Wow.
Don't you think? Like, I feel like this is like the perfect car for that.
Well, what do you know about the Italian countryside?
I have no idea. But this looks like the one. It's
wow.
It just looks so luxury, relaxing.
Yeah, for the right price. Yeah, you need all that money in the first. You need to be stressed enough to make that money in the first place to earn that relaxation. So it's part of their program called Coach Build, this whole custom experience, and they're already working on their next model apparently. So, but like the reason you can buy things like this and they can be $1 billion. Oh, they're saying $28 million right there. They didn't want to share it, but they're saying $28 million. Oh my God. Is that real? Click on that article.
You gonna reserve one?
How did they know? Because he wasn't the guy, the CEO of Rolls-Royce was not sharing the price. How do they know? How does Car Scoops know the price? At the time, the Sweptail's 2.8 made it the most expensive, but it almost looks cheap next to the $28 million Boat Tail, which becomes the most expensive new car you can buy, far exceeding a $9.7 million Bugatti. I don't know how they know the price, but that is a wild price point if it's true. Now, I will say, I know this sounds crazy, but I will say, with only 3 of them existing in the world, there's a chance that they retain or maybe appreciate in value if you don't really drive them. In which case you're not really spending the $28 million.
Yeah, it's a real investment.
You're putting the $28 million as a collector's item and you're just like parking it and But how does a $28 million car go up in value? I guess anything can.
Sure, yeah.
There's money out there, Will. You ever heard of NFTs, man?
I was just going to say.
This might be more fun than an NFT. Although I don't know, was there a 20? Oh, yeah, because People's NFT was 69 million. Yeah, maybe this is more fun than an NFT. I don't know.
Yeah, you can drive it. It's physical.
Rolls Royce NFTs.
Oh,
Three of a kind. Did you just say beautiful, Will?
Yeah, congrats.
Gorgeous? Beautiful?